the wiggler, which I will apply to our motion sketch layer. So let's start with the position property. Here we're able to manipulate both the temporal and the spatial path, as in timing and space. The noise type, meaning random deviation or a changed course. Changes between smooth with more gradual changes and jagged as a bit more abrupt, jerky type of movement. What dimensions to manipulate as only X or Y, and all the same for the equal course to all dimensions. Last one, all independently, using a different set of deviations to all type of dimensions. To add a third dimension of the set or the depth as well, just apply the 3D space for that specific layer. Frequency means how many keyframes as deviations added per second, while the magnitude is the maximum size of them. To finish off, I will be adding 2 keyframes to the opacity and create this kind of flickering effect using the temporal path wiggler. Or you might want to add it to a glowing effect, just like these ones, using the same settings.